Looking for the best cake decorating kits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 cake decorating kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Wilton and Webb Master Airbrush Cake Decorating Kit. Pros: comes with a 3-speed compressor for easy control and a set of starter colors. Air filter in device is washable. Compatible colors are vegan friendly. Well-made storage case. Cons: a bit too involved for those just getting their feet wet with cake decorating. Bottom line: advanced cake artists appreciate this high-tech set that creates vivid, unique designs. At number 2, Wilton 20-piece beginning buttercream decorating set. Pros: a great 10-piece kit that includes essential cake and cupcake decorating tips. Icing bags included. Tips are made of stainless steel and are dishwasher safe. Incredible value. Cons: plastic cupolas must be purchased separately. Instruction pamphlet is very basic. Bottom line: an inexpensive, high-quality starter kit for those who want to try something new. At number 1, Wilton 55-piece Master Decorating Tip Set. Pros: set includes 55 stainless steel tips, 2 flower nails, 2 cupolas, and a sturdy storage box. Tips, flower nails, and couples are all dishwasher safe. Impressive quality. Cons: cupolas do not accommodate largest piping tips. Some customer complaints about storage box latch. Bottom line: a high-quality set for intermediate and advanced bakers. Wilton is the biggest name in the industry, and this is a superb decorating set. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.